in 8 months I will have the career that I wanted. I feel much more powerful now financially.
What's up, you guys? My name is Hussein. Welcome back to the IPO Nerd, the best place to learn about new companies going public and how to invest in them. Today, we're going to look at the Udemy IPO that is happening next week, guys. If you don't know what Udemy is, it's kind of like Coursera. You know, you pay a little fee to take classes online and you can learn anything from programming to designing to business management and all kinds of good stuff. So make sure you drop a like, subscribe to the channel, because this is the best place to learn about new companies going public. If you haven't seen my video from yesterday, I revealed my $100,000 portfolio, so make sure you check that out. But with that being said, let's get right into the video. As a reminder, make sure that you guys go down in the description, check out the merch and my Patreon. All right, so the first thing I want to look at is right here from IPO Scoop. It says Udemy, ticker symbol is going to be UDMY. They're going to be selling 14.5 million shares at a price of $27 to $29 per share. And that is going to happen on Friday, October 29, 2021, guys. So make sure you mark your calendars. So what is Udemy? Well, according over here to the general information, our mission is to create new possibilities for people and organizations everywhere by connecting them to the knowledge and skills they need to succeed in the changing world. Our market platform, with thousands of up-to-date courses in dozens of languages, provides the tools learners, instructors, and enterprise needed to achieve their goals and to reach their full potential. We believe that traditional education and training methods are fast becoming outdated. Technological advancements and novel industries have significantly altered the types of skills required of workers, and lifelong training and continuous skills acquisition are becoming the norm. There is a clear need to expand access to learning across traditional barriers such as geography and social demographics. Pretty much what they're saying over here, guys, is we are now no longer limited to in-classroom classes, right? Or in-classroom training. If you want to become whatever it is that you want to become, a restaurant owner, business owner, a programmer, an engineer, you can do so online by signing up for companies like Udemy and learn every single day a new skill. Now, they are not without competition, of course, guys. You also have Skillshare, you got Coursera, and some other ones out there. But Udemy, we're going to find out if they're doing pretty good when we look at the S1, so stay tuned. Next, I want to look at this article right here from Seeking Alpha, my man Donovan Jones. It says, Udemy readies up a $406 million IPO. The platform operates an online learning platform of consumers and business users worldwide. UDMY is well positioned in international offerings to take advantage of fast-growing online learning opportunities, so the IPO is worth consideration according to my man Donovan Jones. We're going to watch a 2-minute video from my man Mohammed over here, and he explains how he got the job of his dreams and all that by learning through Udemy, so stay tuned for that. The company is headquartered in San Francisco, and their CEO was formerly a CEO at Stella and Chewy, a pet food company. If you guys been following IPOs and if you're following this channel, right, you know that Chewy is a pet food company that went public as well. So the company's primary offering include Udemy and Udemy Business. So they got 2 different types of subscriptions, and Udemy has received at least $450 million in equity investments from investors, including inside partners and so forth. So they are raising some good money. The company's system provides more than 44 million learners with access to over 183,000 courses in 75 languages and over 180 countries, guys. So this is not a small company, okay? This is a huge library of training that you can take online. But enough said, let's check out this video real quick to find out more about the company.
After studying on Udemy, I have now a full-time job as a software engineer. I make 3 times more money than the money I spent on the courses on Udemy. And I had a friend who is working in this field and is very good at what he does. He said, I see you in software, you're like so analytical about things. And he sent me a link to a lecture about Python programming. Yeah, day 1, I got hooked. I think it was about exactly a week when I knew I would be a software engineer. I would never even think that I would be here 2 years ago. When I started on Udemy, I started having the feeling, oh, definitely I will get something out of it and I will have a career very soon. Didn't expect that in 8 months I will have the career that I wanted. I feel much more powerful now financially. It's a big deal for me. Where I work now, we have 800 people. I'm the only one, I think, without a degree. After I got the job, I wrote some of these teachers like a big thank you letter. I feel extremely grateful. When you achieve something, you have this wave of warmth, like these people changed my life.
And there you have it, folks. You too can take control of your life just like my man Mohammed over here did and learn whatever you like to learn on Udemy. Software engineer is what he went for. And let me tell you something, guys. I took Python in college and there's no joke. It's very hard. That's why software engineers make a lot of money, because this is a kind of job that is, number one, very hard to learn. And number two, nobody wants to do. It's tedious, you know, writing code all day. So very, very exciting, Udemy. Let's check out what else my man Donovan Jones has to say about the company. He does point out that they have some major competition, guys, like Pluralsight, Skillsoft, LinkedIn, Coursera, edX, Cloud Guru, Skillshare, and more. So I'm sure you heard about a couple of these as well. So let's check out their website real quick and see what kinds of business or type of classes they have to offer. All right, so we over here on the Udemy website. You can find the right fit for you. Courses as low as $11.99 until tomorrow. So you can scroll down. You can see that they have programming classes and training like Python. Students are viewing graphic design as well, C++ programming and all that good stuff. So many classes to learn right here. They even have marketing classes, guys. As you know, I do have a master's degree in marketing, and it took, it was a lot of hard work. But if you can come down here and you can, learn just like that, everything I do every single day, right? The complete digital marketing course, and they got Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and more. So it looks like just a great place to learn, guys. And you just click on the classes you're interested in, you add it to your cart, and you try it out. You can even try it out for free. Look at that, for 7 days. So this will be right here, $20 for this class. So it looks just like a great place to shop for training, guys. So, I'm all about education, so highly, highly recommend it. All right, so let's look at the S1 to find out more about the company financial data. This S1 was filed on October 5th, 2021, the company Udemy Inc. Let's scroll down, find the consolidated financial data under the table of contents. Right here, we're gonna be looking at the revenues. For 2021, guys, we're looking at $250.6 million. That's not too bad. Let's keep scrolling down to see if we have any net income. All right, so we have a net loss over here of $29.3 million. Not too bad, but they are going public. And if they raise $400 million, this will help with the net loss, right? So it's a growing company, guys. In a lot of these companies, they do go public because they need to raise funds. And, being not profitable is a good reason to go public. So I'm not gonna hold that too much against them. Let's keep scrolling down and see what else they have. Right here we have the total assets. We're looking at $286.6 million, not too bad. Total liabilities, $279.1 million. So they do have a little bit more liabilities than assets. Now right here it says accumulated deficit. They have a deficit of $407.8 million. That's not great, right, to look at. But let's look at the revenue quarter by quarter. You can see that it has increased. The important thing over here to look at, and let me see if I can make this smaller for you guys so you can see it all on your screen. There we go. So the important thing to look at over here is you have consumer and you have business. So you see how the consumer one is growing as well as the business one. Every single year their revenue continues to grow, and that is good. Every single quarter in 2021 it grew. All right, so now we're looking at the cash flows right here, and let's see if they have any cash coming from operating activities. Nope. They look like they're operating at a loss of $5.4 million in the month ending in June of 2021. So that is not great. Investing activities, we have a net loss as well of $9.7 million. In financing activities, $3.4 million. So in total, they have about $11.8 million in the hole. No cash money in the bank, and that's okay because that's a great reason to go public. So unfortunately, the company doesn't have a positive cash flow for 2021, but they did have positive cash flow in 2019 and 2020, guys. So I'm not sure what happened over here. Maybe competition, maybe the whole pandemic, which the pandemic should have helped them because people were staying more at home, right? So I don't understand what happened there exactly, but something to think about, guys. All right, so overall, what do I think about Udemy, guys? Well, this company's operating at a net loss. It's also have negative cash flow, but after looking at all the different facts and everything, they do have 44 million users in over 180 countries. You know me, I'm all about education. And even though they do have a little bit of a net loss and they don't have any positive cash flow yet, but they did have some in 2019 and 2020. So I'm not sure what's happening in 2021. I'm still gonna give this one a big thumbs up, guys, for now, but it deserves a little bit of a closer look. I think for the right price, it could be a good buy. Maybe around $15 to $20 per share. I think it would be a good buy. Considering all the competition that's out there, Coursera, which is another great company, Skillshare, and so forth, I don't think that I will pay more than maybe $15 to $20 per share. But hey, that's just my opinion, guys. I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not investing in financial advice. So make sure you do your own research, and let me know what you guys think in the comments below. As always, guys, if you like this video, make sure you drop a like, subscribe to the channel. But more important than that, make sure you take care of yourselves. And I'll see you soon.
I bring up the pain, Rick is the main. I make the market rain like acid rain. An investing channel you ever know, ya. I think you'll go your house, your money, and leave you broke, son.